Have you ever watched kids' animation videos on YouTube? Those kids' animation videos are quite colorful and have cool animations. Check out this video.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey through the alphabet, exploring the wonderful world of fruits.
Channels that create such kind of videos are making a lot of money on YouTube. Take a look at this channel right here. Based on Social Blade statistics, you can see that this channel is earning about $7,600 to $122,000 a month right now. And you can actually see how much they're earning yearly right here. So, this is to show you that this niche is profitable right now. And I'm going to walk you through how to do this in a step-by-step manner as we stick on to this video. The first thing which you want to get done is to create a script for the video. You want to just simply generate a script. And you can easily create a script right there with this particular platform called ChatGPT. Once you head on to ChatGPT, you want to just simply type in a prompt such as this: I want to make a kids learning video about the alphabet and fruits. Please write an engaging and interesting video script. Once you do that, guys, you just need to click on enter, and ChatGPT will actually do the job for you by creating a very cool and amazing video script, as you can see right here on the screen. So, all that you need to do right now is to just simply copy this script. Now, if I copy the script right now, I need to go on to converting this script into a voiceover or an audio. And to do that, guys, I'm going to be using a very cool and amazing free text-to-speech AI tool called ttsfree.com. Now, you can use any other cool AI tool to convert text to speech, but I'm going to be sticking with this one right now. Once I come to this section, I'm going to paste the script, and I'm just going to edit the script to remove all unnecessary parts from this particular script. So, as you can see right now, the script has actually been edited by me. You can then just scroll down to this particular section, select the voice which you want to use. And, mind you guys, to convert any script to actually sound like a child's voice, you need to just simply increase the voice pitch. Now, if I do increase the voice pitch to something like 30 right now or 35%, I'm just going to reduce the speed to make it quite slow. Now, once that has actually been done, I just need to click on convert now. You can see, guys, that this is actually going through the processing phase, and once this is done processing, I'll be able to preview the voiceover and listen to how cool that sounds. Now, listen to how this sounds right now.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey through the alphabet, exploring the wonderful world of fruits. A is for apple. Look at this shiny red.
That sounds cool, right? If you're satisfied with this, all you need to do is to click on download my MP3, and that will actually be downloaded on your device. So, when that has successfully been downloaded, what we need next is to get a very cool character we want to utilize for our video. We can actually go on to Google right now, and once we do go to Google, we want to just simply search for the Adobe Express. Now, if you do search for that right now, you can see this particular option right here, which is Adobe Express. You want to select that right there. It's going to bring you to a page such as this, and you want to come on to this section. In this section, I'm just going to go to type in something like animate from audio. Now, if I do select this option, as you're going to see, it's going to load up, and I'll be able to see some cool characters to select from and go on to editing. The cool thing about this platform is that while editing, it's actually going to lip sync the character with our audio. This particular platform is going to help us do just that. Now, take a look at this, guys. These are actually amazing characters that you can see on the screen. Once this successfully loads up, you'll be able to see many more characters that you select from. Here are actually some cool and amazing characters right now, and you can scroll through to check for others. You can see the character I'm using right here. You can select any of these characters available for your video. Maybe I'm just going to stick with this particular character that you can see on the screen right now. I can make this smaller and just simply adjust this to my preference right now. So, if I successfully adjust this particular character to my preference for the full body to actually fit in, you can see how cool this looks like. Once this is actually done, you want to click on Browse. It's going to take you to your device for you to select that exact same audio. You want to select that audio right there, which you actually downloaded as a voiceover of our video. Click on Open. As you can see right now, the voiceover is actually going through the uploading phase. Now, you need to be patient a little because this might take quite a while for this to actually get done. As you can see right now, guys, it's actually computing the head movement and also the lip sync. You need to be patient until this actually gets to 100% before you can actually get your video, once your video has actually been generated. You can click on this play icon and listen to how exciting it sounds. Then you can download the video right here by clicking on the download icon. Once the video has successfully been downloaded on your device, we're going to move on to the next phase. Mind you, it is quite important to use a green screen for the background to enable you change your background anytime you actually want. You may want to use any other background of your choice, but I actually prefer to use a green screen right there. So, once that has actually been done, you want to head to Canva and select the background which you want to use for your video. You want to make sure you do select an appropriate background for your video. And I'm going to just simply show you how to do that right now. So, let's go on to Canva right here, and once we're on Canva, we want to head to this section which says video. And once we do click on video, it's going to bring us to this particular section right now. So, once this successfully loads up, we want to make sure we do select a cool background right here. Maybe this particular background right now, which you can see, looks quite cool and engaging. You can just simply stick with this particular background. Once that background has actually been selected, you can add some nice features to the video like I am doing right now to also make it more engaging. Also add texts like A for Apple and animated, as well as adding an Apple character just like how I am doing right now. You want to download this particular background, and you can also go on to creating and uploading multiple backgrounds to actually keep your video engaged and quite interesting to kids. So, once that has been successfully downloaded, you want to go to the next step. That is, go on to merging both the animated character and the background which you downloaded on Canva. To do that, guys, we're going to use a very cool and amazing platform called CapCut. Once we do head on to CapCut, you want to just simply make sure you sign up for CapCut, as you can see right now. And, mind you, guys, CapCut is also a free video editing software that is quite cool and amazing to use for your video editing right there. So, once you do head to CapCut right now, you can select a new project, and as you can see, this is how CapCut actually does look like. Once you do that, you want to make sure you select the particular character which you just downloaded, and I'm just going to show you how to do that right now. You want to import the character video which you downloaded and merge both of them together. Once you import the character right here, you're going to also import the background and go on to merging both of them together right now. So, as you can see, I'm just going to remove the background of the character. Once you do that, it's going to bring out just the character alone without the background. And you can just simply merge both of them right here. So, you can see, guys, this is how to actually do it right there. Once this has been done, guys, you want to add some cool effects right here and some cool elements. You can do that with CapCut, and, guys, CapCut also has a mobile version for those people who want to use their mobile phones for editing their videos. So, that being said, guys, we've successfully done all that. You want to go to the next step, which is to just simply make sure you do upload your video on YouTube. And to upload your video on YouTube, you want to go to YouTube right now. And once you do go to YouTube, you can see this particular upload icon right here. You want to select the upload icon. Then go on to uploading your video on YouTube. So, guys, that being said, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell so that I can always alert you whenever I drop in cool and amazing videos such as this, which you don't want to miss out on. So, guys, take care, and goodbye.